Washington Shin isn't gold.
Yeah. There he is, right there. See right there?
I do, yeah.
Yeah.
He's going to blow his whistle.
How far is this? What? How far out is it?
Watch now. Go. Ah, ref.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're on with some more musical entertainment for you from the Kilshannon GAA Club on the Avenue Divisional County Cork Piano Club, County and Provisional winners of Scornano 2018. With us today we have Sheila Cameron on concertina, with brothers Dara and Mark O'Shea, and also twins Aoife and Owen Turner. And they're going to play a rousing set of tunes for us. The whole of the James and the Brown Walls Ring. Can you give a warm GAA welcome to the Kilshannon Sport Group?
He blew his whistle, mate. No?
Ladies and gentlemen, the Kilshannon scoreboard. Well done.
Oh.
It doesn't count. Specsavers. You need to go to Specsavers as well. Ross Clean needs to go to Specsavers.
Fógra fri an tinrh, si an tinrh an panóna ná, cúi míle deag, cúi céad is a seaca lí. The Green Ocean this afternoon's attendance is 15,569. 15,569. Thank you for supporting today's championship football finals. Tommy Dunphy, Ravana, as for that
No, Ireland final now. Oh, under 12. There's a referee show, no?
The children participating in the exhibition game ran in front of the accused stands here are representatives of the two participating clubs, Future Stars of Coola and the Pearson, and we're delighted to give them the opportunity to show off their skills here during the club hurling final. So give a warm welcome please to the Future Stars, the children of the Pearson and Coola.
Just kidding. You just like the referee. What about the referee? Hopefully Maybe they just chance they can't say it. Too hard.
Is there no half time? That's it, Colleen, is it? He didn't call a point, did he? No.
Killian's on the big screen. No, he's on the
Oh, he
big
is,
screen.
yeah.
No way. Get on the big screen.
Oh, hitting me, Maeve. There he is again.
Big screen.
Sinead, Lahome, is it?
Pin it off, honey. No, it's over.
Half time, is it? Oh, it's over. Right? Yeah, I'll get you in 1 second. That's it, all marching off after Killian. That's neat, isn't it?
You're a terrible rat!